Improving upon our best-selling machine, we've launched the R-Tech MIG 181. Adopting the same reliability as the MIG 180, this new machine comes with some very clever must-have features. Its crystal clear display provides the user with all of the settings in one place. We've stayed away from complicated menus and kept things nice and simple, allowing for a faster and easier setup. The MIG 181 comes with our game-changing easy setup mode. Simply tell the machine the wire thickness you're using and the thickness of the material you're going to be welding, and the machine provides you with the perfect settings to get a smooth and stable weld straight away. Easy mode has taken any guesswork out of getting the machine set up correctly, meaning you can worry less about those perfect settings and focus more on getting jobs completed more quickly. Perfect for anyone getting into welding or even a professional. In manual mode, the MIG 181 allows you to fine-tune settings precisely, meaning you have complete control. The optional spool gun allows you to MIG weld aluminium with ease, and we've also made it very easy for you to use the machine with gasless welding wire. Just like any R-Tech welding machine, the MIG 181 comes with a stick welding function, which also incorporates an easy setup mode. This makes the machine perfect for welding gate posts to digger buckets and much more. Unlike other suppliers, all of R-Tech machines come with everything to get you going out of the box. This includes the industry standard Euro torching regulator, so all you need to do is install your wire, attach your gas bottle, and you're ready to start welding at no extra cost. From welding car body work to creating incredible works of art, heavy machinery repairs to production line fabrication, the MIG 181 has been designed for everyone and has become a must-have for anyone who MIG welds. Without a doubt, the MIG welder is one of the most popular ways of welding, so it's no surprise that this is one of our biggest selling machines, with thousands of users up and down the country and even around the world using it, meaning it stayed unchanged for over 10 years, until now. The MIG 181 has become the new popular choice for anyone who MIG welds, and full details on this machine can be found over on our website. We offer free demos on all of our machines, and our friendly staff are happy to answer any questions you might have on any of the machines in the R-Tech range. Feel free to give us a call or visit our trade counter.